Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing a foundation review for you guys. This is the MAC foundation and I think it's a new one because I've not seen a stick foundation before at MAC, and I have always used the MAC Studio Fix Fluid. What's that called? Yeah, the Studio Fix, the fluid foundation, the liquid one. But this one, Studio Fix, yeah, Studio Fix. So this one is a stick foundation. So I thought I'll give it a try. So I got the NC35, which is say what the name of this was. It says NC35 Studio Fix Soft Matte Foundation Stick. Soft matte, so it's supposed to be matte. And so I'm not going to read all that it's written there, but basically it gives medium coverage, and I don't like heavy coverage anyway, so that's why like I love foundations like NARS Sheer Glow and MAC. I kind of mix it with other things. So anyway, let's give it a try. So this is how the cover looks, and then this is how the this, and then you open it up. It says the shade name there, NC35, and then this is how it looks, and it has quite an amount, but I don't know, stick foundations I'm a little scared only because it might dry out, or I don't know how like I've tried this before. It's like okay, it would not replace my liquid one, but let's give it a try so you guys also can see how it is. And you can see how it will cover everything, because I have a pimple right here which is kind of dead right now, so but there's a spot, red spot there. So let's see how it will cover all that. So let's give this a try. So what I'm going to do is, don't mind, I'm going to use my fingertips to blend it, because that's the best way to do it. I do, even with the liquids I do that. It's only sometimes that I use like the sponge or brush. I hardly use brush for liquid foundations, and for this kind of stick foundations, I don't know, I would never use brush. I don't know how it would blend, because it's going to sit really kind of solid, like waxy, right? So you need like a little bit of that heat to move it around. I mean, that's what I think. So if you guys get grossed out or because I'm using fingertip, then I am sorry. All I've done is I've done my eyes and my eyebrows, and I have my eyeshadow everywhere here, like fallout on my face. So let's see how we can cover all that. So I've done my eyebrows too actually. So I'm just going to swatch this all over the face, and I'm going to try to put a lot and see. And I am having a little bit of the tiredness under my eyes today, because we came really late from the party, from the New Year party. So that is why I'm looking tired, because I also had migraine when I got up in the morning. So okay, so I guess this is enough, and then I'm going to blend it. I'm putting near my eyes there. Okay, so let's blend and see how it works. And yes, I have washed my hands, so it's okay. Because I keep my hands really clean. I wash it like many times in a day. Okay, so there you go. It blended really well, And like I said, I've tried it before and it's not like full coverage, so I liked it that it's not too much full coverage. I'm going to take a little more, try to put it over that dried pimple there. Take a little bit more, try to put a little here, because I usually don't do concealer or anything that much, so I try to put the foundation itself there. And I'm trying to clean up all that fallout and everything from the eyes. So there you go, guys. I think it's looking good, right? I mean, it really blended well, and when I touch it, I can feel like, okay, it's like blended well. I don't feel anything, any weirdness, nothing, and it's a perfect like shade for me. So I actually like it, and it'll be like easy to carry around. So I am actually loving it. Not bad at all. So I'm gonna go kind of finish off my makeup and then come back. And before I leave, what I'm doing is I'm just taking this Kat Von D concealer. This is a medium one. I don't know where I got this. I had got this from TJ Maxx. I'm just gonna do a little bit of this here under the eyebrows. Just so when I was putting it over my lids, I think it went all over, like it took too much space there, so I'm kind of cleaning that up a little bit because I don't want that much here. Looks like, see, it's covered everything. You can't like, can you see the pimple? Yeah, I mean, that's fine because it's not full coverage, it's fine. But I like the feel. It's not feeling like sticky, or it doesn't feel like it's not covered every spot. It's actually covered pretty good. So I do like it. So I'm going to go and then finish the makeup off and then come and show you guys like with full makeup. I'm back. I kind of just added on a little blush, like powder. I used the MAC Prep and Prime powder today, and some blush and highlighter. Highlighter also is the MAC one I used. What was that? It was that the Cheeky Volumes palette. So from that only I used the blush and the highlighter. And the lipstick I put on is the Velvet Teddy from MAC. So I thought I'll put a nude color since my eyes are looking so dark. So I put on the Velvet Teddy with the Morning Coffee lip liner. So that's all. That's what I have on. And so I actually loved this foundation. I liked it, and I'm not sure how it will last. Like, I've tried it before, but I didn't really try it like whole day or something and see how, you know, if it oxidizes or how it's going to feel over time. So I'm going to try that today. But so far, as far as how it applies, the coverage, everything I like. And as you can see, it's not like complete full coverage, which I don't mind. I'm not a fan of full coverage foundations anyway, so I do like it. So so I think my verdict is that I really like it. So thank you so much for watching. So if you have not tried this yet, and if you are not like someone who needs full coverage sometimes, then you can go get this. It does blend well. As you saw, I did it in front of you guys itself, so it blended really well, and I don't feel any patchiness on the skin, nothing. Not right now, so I need to try it, hold it. So thank you so much for watching, guys. See you in my next video, and you can try this on. And my shade is NC35 that I used. So thank you so much, guys. Bye. Love you all.